All right, what you want to do, you want to make sure that the bottoms are lined up good. And you want to start tapping these in place. You want to use a non-marking hammer so you're not scuffing it all up. There you go. Gotcha. Okay, now after you have this side, you've got this side here mulled together. Go ahead, flip it over, and do the other side. Okay, now the next step we're going to fill the top and bottom gaps between the sashes or between the window frames with silicone.
Oh, you gotta cut it yet.
Holy crap, why is this thing so long?